In my journey through life, from the challenging streets of Bulacan to the serene haven of Antipas North Cotabato, I've witnessed the transformative power of resilience in community. Antipas, with its breathtaking landscape and vibrant culture, welcomed me with open arms, offering not just a place to live, but a sanctuary of hope and growth. In this picturesque town, I've encountered remarkable places like Sitio Loquiqui, where visionary families have turned humble beginnings into thriving ventures, embracing sustainable practices and nurturing both land and community. From Sitio Loquiqui Farm and Resort to Wawang Spring, each destination embodies the spirit of harmony with nature, inviting visitors to revel in its beauty and tranquility. But Antipas is more than just its natural wonders. It is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its people. From Father Ibescarov's transformative work in Butuac to Mrs. Melody B. Caduong's inspiring leadership at Simel Farm, the town of Antipas is a beacon of progress and sustainability. Within the heart of Antipas lies Barangay Malatang, home to Sitio Loquiqui, a once humble spot now transformed into a vibrant hub of life and innovation. It offers guests an unparalleled blend of nature's splendor and human ingenuity, with a mission to provide exceptional service in harmony with nature. Loquiqui Farm aims to strengthen local tourism while leaving a lasting impact on guests from around the globe. A pristine oasis nestled within the verdant landscape of Sitio Bisak is the Wawang Spring. Its crystal clear waters not only quench the thirst of the community, but also beacon weary travelers seeking solace in its tranquil embrace. This spring has become a symbol of natural beauty and tranquility, attracting visitors from various municipalities and even foreign countries. Located deep within the heart of Butuac, Antipas, lies a sanctuary reminiscent of the abundant lands of Galilee Farm today. Led by the visionary Father Ibescarov, this once desolate terrain now teems with vibrant life, a testament to the transformative power of unwavering dedication and boundless innovation. Finally, in the fertile embrace of Barangay Lahong stands Simel Farm, a shining beacon of sustainable agriculture and ecotourism. This haven serves as a testament to the indomitable spirit of its leader, Mrs. Melody B. Caduong, and her unwavering commitment to quality and environmental stewardship. As I wandered through the vibrant streets of Antipas, I was deeply moved by the warmth and hospitality of its people, a testament to the resilience and beauty that define this remarkable town. In Antipas, I found not just a second chance, but a newfound appreciation for the splendor of life and the enduring strength of the human spirit, a place where dreams flourish and communities thrive. I witnessed the powerful interplay of resilience, innovation, and hope, a poignant reminder that with unwavering determination and bold vision, we can shape a brighter tomorrow for all.
Johanna Española Mendoza, Reina República Pilipinas 2024, representing Antipas, Cotabato Province.